In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a content block in Mailchimp emails. Keeping your layout tidy by removing unused pieces makes your message clearer and easier to read, and it also helps you stay organized as you build. Start by opening Mailchimp and signing into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to Campaigns. Find the email campaign you want to adjust and open it. If you're working on a draft, it will appear in your list here. From the Campaign Builder screen, look for the option that takes you into the Design area. Click Design Email to open the email editor and load your current layout. Inside the editor, you'll see your email broken into sections called Content Blocks. These are the individual pieces that make up your message, like text paragraphs, images, buttons, dividers, social links, and more. Take a moment to locate the exact block you want to remove. If you're unsure, glance at the preview on the left and the block details on the right, so you're confident you're targeting the correct one. When you move your mouse over a block, Mailchimp highlights it with a border, so you can clearly see what's selected. Hover your cursor over that block to reveal the small block toolbar. This toolbar typically appears along the edge of the block and includes icons for actions like editing, duplicating, and deleting. To remove the block, click the trash icon or the delete button you see there. Mailchimp may ask you to confirm this choice, especially if the block contains content you've added. If you get a prompt, confirm the deletion. The block will disappear from your layout immediately, and the surrounding content will shift to fill the space. With the block removed, make sure your changes are saved. In the top area of the editor, click Save and Close. This applies your edits to the campaign and returns you to the Campaign Builder view. Saving and closing ensures your updated layout is preserved the next time you open the editor, and it prevents accidentally losing your work if you navigate away. That's all there is to it. Open your campaign, launch the editor, find the block you don't need, hover to reveal the toolbar, delete it, confirm if asked, and then click Save and Close. Following these steps helps you keep your emails focused on what matters, reduces clutter, and improves readability for your audience. If you maintain this habit as you design, you'll spend less time troubleshooting layouts and more time crafting content that gets results. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.